What is up, my loves? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is the water coloring method, and I'm pretty sure y'all have seen these videos all over YouTube, so I wanted to give it a try with some jet black hair dye. So my wig that I made is about a 4B, so it's really it's I think the darkest brown that it can be, or the natural brown. And so I just want to go in with that jet black and make it super black. So I'm just showing you guys what I put in my water here, so my hair won't be so brittle and just nasty looking after you take it out. So yeah, I'm just squirting it in the water, mixing it around, and yeah. And guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys for watching my video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss my uploads, because I got some stuff coming for y'all. So yes, and I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. I don't want to do too much rambling. I just want to show you guys how I do the water method. I will be doing another water method with some different color hair, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I will see y'all in my next one.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make